Meaning of hypocritically.
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 Hypocritically. Hypocritically refers to a situation where an individual or group of individuals say or do one thing but actually believe or do the opposite. It is an act of pretending to have beliefs, principles, or virtues that one does not actually possess. This behavior is often seen as deceptive, insincere, and lacking in integrity. When someone acts hypocritically, they can lose the trust of others and damage their relationships. Ultimately, the negative consequences of behaving hypocritically can outweigh any temporary benefits gained from hiding one's true beliefs or actions.